How did that scam happen? What kind of scam?
Meron akong isang friend na partner ko sa pag-invest sa mga foreclosed properties.
Okay.
Pero nung nakapangasawa ko, lumipat ako sa Hong Kong, siya nag-manage nun. Tapos marami siyang mga iniimbitahan to co-invest with her. Ang problema, minismanage niya yung funds, walang check and balance. So ngayon, lahat ng mga utang sa bangko, hindi niya nababayaran. Tapos narimata lahat ng mga properties. Millions ang ininvest ko doon, life savings.
Right.
Nag-file kami ng class suit against her, napakulong siya. Mahaba ang kwento ng kaso.
Okay. Paano pumasok si RD sa buhay mo? Was it in church? I mean...
No, he was actually introduced to me by Anthony Pangilinan.
si Anthony.
Soon, pagkatapos kong mahiwalay at umuwi ako dito,
From Hong Kong.
na-encounter ko si Anthony sa isang hotel sa Makati. Partner kasi sila sa isang training company.
Okay.
So, napadaan siya, malapit ako sa CR, nagkasalubong kami. Tapos, pakilala kita sa partner ko. Inintroduce niya ako kay RD. Pero, at that time, buhay pa yung wife ni RD. So, it was just a chance encounter, just a simple introduction. And then later on, there was another introduction when I was uma-attend ako ng mga success seminars na binibigay ng kumpanya ni RD. Siya yung naging mentor ko habang sinusulat ko yung libro ko, pero buhay pa yung wife niya. A year later, nabalitaan na lang namin na matay yung wife niya. Nagpunta kami ng classmates ko doon sa wake. At nakita ko how he loved his wife. Sabi ko kay God, God, I want a love like that. Hindi naman si RD hiningi ko. Yung ganong pagmamahal. So during this time, umaasa ako na yung guy na crush ko. Ipurpursue ako.
Yung crush mo.
Yung crush ko, pero na-intercept na naman siya ng ibang babae. So ngayon, inis na ako sa guy na to. God, sino ba talaga yung God's best na prepare mo sa akin? Ang impression ni God sa heart ko, mamimit mo siya on my birthday. So, 3 weeks before my birthday, may nag-surprise sa akin ng birthday cake. So, nag-blow ako ng kandila. Lord, I wish for a love life on my birthday. Tapos, pagbukas ng mata ko, may binulong si God sa puso ko. Ang bulong na yon ay isang pangalan. Ang pangalan ay RD.
Oh.
And when I was hosting 700 Club as a volunteer, on the night of my birthday, RD showed up. A week later, pinursu niya ako. And after 10 months of courtship, kinasal kami noong March 25, 2014.
At 43, you had Elijah. 46, you had
I had
Ziki.
2 miracle babies.
Diba? Dalawang miracle sa iyong buhay. How joyful was that to be a mother?
Oh, super, super joyful. Parang, siguro kung ano yung love ng Diyos Ama para sa akin, ganun din ang pakiramdam ko sa mga anak ko. Na-imagine ko, actually even more, yung pagmamahal ng Diyos Ama para sa atin, ganun ang pakiramdam ko sa mga anak ko na kaya kong i-sacrifice pati buhay ko
Para sa kanila.
for them.
Para sa kanila. That's really a blessing and a miracle. And we have to do fast talk.
Yes.
We have to do fast talk. But beautiful, beautiful story. Napaka-inspiring. We have 2 minutes to do this and our time begins now. Miriam o Kikiam?
Miriam.
City life, beach life.
Beach life.
Camping, glamping.
Glamping.
Beauty queen, bangon queen.
Bangon queen.
Pamewang, pose o sakit ulo pose?
Pamewang.
Hosting or acting?
Hosting.
Forever beautiful or forever sexy?
Forever beautiful.
Swimwear, long gown.
Long gown.
Morning workout or night out?
Morning workout.
Family time or me time?
Both.
Okay, guilty or not guilty? Nakipag-date sa artista?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Niligawan ng politiko?
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nagwalwal dahil heartbroken?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Chinismis ng katrabaho?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nang block ng basher?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? May nakatarayang beauty queen?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Unang nangangalabit kay mister?
Sabay kami.
Mabuting ina o mapagmahal na asawa?
Pareho.
Masayang buhay, masaganang pamumuhay.
Pareho.
One word, describe yourself as a woman.
Godly.
One word, describe yourself as a mother.
Loving.
One word, describe yourself as a wife.
Helpmate.
Paborito mong ginagawa kay RD?
Alam mo na.
Paborito mong ginagawa sa uni RD?
Alam mo na rin.
Is that lights on or lights off?
Dim lights.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolate.
Best time for chocolates?
Alam mo na.
Kaharap mo ang iyong 24-year-old self. Ano ang sasabihin mo?
God has a plan for you. Put your hope in Him.
You have to listen.